So we have our own R&D departments, which is located in Taiwan and as well as in Russia, Moscow. Okay, our R&D teams are teams of experienced team members, which keep innovative our products. So that's why our Essential series has been launched recently, okay, to complement our NIKOMAX products. So all our products are being certified either by third party or by our factories. So be assured that what you have purchased are qualified products that meet the standards of the international standards. And our products are being extended for 5 years warranty depending on the product range. Okay, most of them are on 5 years warranty. Okay, and in most cases like the patch panels, jacks, all these are on 5 years warranty. So this gives you assurance that our products comply to the standards and assurance to our quality of our products also. So we also provide 25-year system warranties to those projects that apply for all NIKOMAX product range. Okay, that means that end to end. Okay, which when you use the NIKOMAX product range, you are guaranteed for 25-year system warranties. And to apply for 25-year system warranty, you need to be certified as a certified installers. So you can attend the authorized course from us. Nevertheless, our standards of our products are being complied to ISO, IEC, TIA, EIA, and EN standards, which is international, American, and European standards. And obviously, our products are 100% compatibilities, okay, with other products range also, okay. Meaning that if you have purchase a switch, you can connect to our equipments and things like that. So you can see that our headquarters are being based in Taiwan, and we have a representative office in Hungary, France, Russia, and Singapore. Okay, and apart of that, we have 23 sales offices within Russia also. So we are committed in this region. Okay. Okay. Under the NIKOMAX umbrella, we have a various range of product range. Okay, being the NIKOLAND, NIKOMAX components, NetLens, and Essential series. So today we are going to focus on the Essential series, but nevertheless, I will just brief through what are the products that we can offer under the NIKOMAX umbrella. So you can see that we have these copper LAN cables. Okay. And these copper LAN cables, we have various types of copper LAN cable from Cat5e all the way to Cat8. Okay, we have launched our Cat8 cables since late last year, and to date we have some sales of our Cat8 cables too. Okay, and apart from cables, we also have the LED systems here, which you can see on the next one. Okay, this LED system is actually in the market. We call it intelligent patch panels. This is to monitor the patch cord being removed from the critical circuits. So when there is any accidentally remove of the patch cord from this patch panel, then the alarm was sent to the server and also to alert the administrators. Okay. And obviously we have the normal patch panels. The patch panel we have here is loaded and unloaded, which complies to Cat5e all the way to Cat6a. The next we can see there is a keystone jacks here. So the keystone jack, we also offer a wide range of keystone jacks. We have a various type of keystone jack like the punch down, tubeless, angled, and also the fast terminations. Okay, the fast termination jacks will allow you to improve the installation times by 1/3 of it. Okay, so if you have this fast termination jacks, you need a fast termination tools which help you to increase your speed of your installations. Next, we go to the wall outlet and faceplate. Okay, so we have this various type of wall outlets and faceplates. Okay, or the surface mount blocks we call that. Okay, surface mount block we have 1 port, 2 port, 4 port, 6 ports available for your project choice. Okay, and faceplates wise we have the angled and non-angled. 1 port, 2 port for the angled, 1, 2, also. We have various types of patch cords also, copper various patch cords here. So ranging from Cat 5e all the way to Cat 8. Next, we move on to the RJ45 plus. Okay, this one will supply the RJ45 plus for some requirement on the filter connections. Okay. Next, we move on to the cable management and accessory. The cable management is to help you to dress the patch cord in the server rack or under the patch panels. So the rack itself will have a good appearance when the patch cord could be exiting from the left or the right of the rack. Next, we move on to the fiber optic cables here. Fiber optic cables, we have the indoor, outdoor, and universals. So we trust that these three range of products will meet most of your requirements. Okay, and for the outdoor fiber cables, we also have the dielectric and the CST corrugated steel tape. So the dielectric is those that non-metallic fiber optics cables which you do not need to do any grounding in the field. Okay, so for those corrugated steel tape fiber optics cable, you need to do grounding, but sometimes at the field you might have a difficulty to find the grounding. So to have alternate choice, we also offer the dielectric outdoor fiber cables. Next, we move on to the fiber distribution units and accessory. In this category, we offer patch panels, okay, for you to have the LC, SC adapters. So one patch panel itself will offer 24 SC ports and 48 LC ports, okay, and this can install for the single mode and multi-mode also. Okay, so apart from these fiber diffusion units that here, we also have this MTO, MTP type of patch panels, which offer you very high solutions type of connectivities. So the MTP, MPO patch panels we have is 1U and can offer up to 144 LC ports. So within 1U, you can have 144 LC ports. And obviously, the fiber optic patch cord cannot be omitted in this solution here. So we offer a wide range of fiber optic patch cord here. So in standard, we offer SC, SC, LC, LC, SC, LC, and various type of mode also, single mode and multi-mode. So apart from the standard range that we see in our price list or what we offered, okay, we also offer customized patch cords. For example, your customer may need ST, Singapore, Tango, okay, type of patch cord. So we can customize all these patch cord, and the lead times is about 7 days. Okay. So next, we move on to some tools here. In this tool section here, this tool is to provide your installer or your engineers or technicians some easy tools to function their jobs. Okay. So apart from this tool, we also have some tester which you can do end-to-end testing. Okay. For details, you might want to consult your account managers. So this is a quick rundown of a range of products that NIKOMAX can offer you on your product range. So as you can see here, okay, we have a copper cables from Cat 5, 5E, 6, 6A, 7, 7A, and Cat 8 available for your project choice. Okay. So for Cat 5, what we offer is the multi-pair cables. So multi-pair cables are used for the telephone circuits. Okay. So multi-pair cables can be in 10, 25, 50, 100 pairs, depending on your choice depending on the requirement of your projects. Okay. So of all these copper cables, obviously we offered shielded and unshielded solutions, as you can see on my slide here. So for shielded solutions and unshielded solutions, we have offered FUTP, EFTP, SFTP, FFTP, and SFUTP here to meet your project requirements. Okay, so you can see that we have a wide range of copper cables here to meet your requirements. So do not hesitate to contact your account manager if you have any projects in running and require NIKOMAX. And for the jacket wise, we have the PVC and low smoke, and obviously the PE type also. So the PE is used for the outdoor environments. So you can see on the bottom left here, we have the various type of the fiber optic cables ranging from single mode, multi-mode, OM2, OM3, and OM4 here. Okay. Okay. This is just a quick 2 slide of my rundown of the NIKOMAX product range. If you have any questions, maybe we can talk about it after this section here. So now I will focus on the Essential series. As I did mention, under the NIKOMAX umbrellas, we have a various type of the range of products, NIKOLAND, NIKOMAX components, NetLand, and Essential series is one of our range here. Okay, so I'm going to give you a details of what the Essential series can offer you and help you in your project, day-to-day project here. Okay, so Essential series actually is come with a very price competitive. Okay, why is it price competitive? We will describe in the next slide here. Okay. So what Essential series range of product offer is on patch cord here, okay, keystone jack, the BI, and the ET series. I will explain this on my later slide here. What is the BI and the ET series here? Patch panels and base plates here. Okay, so these are the 4 initial series of the product range that we are offering on the Essential series, and the R&D team is building on to provide more of the product range into this series here. So how the Essential series is characteristic, how we position? There are 5 things that we are talking about the Essential series. One is positioning, okay, which this Essential series is suited perfectly on small standard projects as well as ones with small construction and affordable price are preferred. Okay, so this is a lower range of products compared to NIKOMAX components, where you come with price war or projects pricing constraint. Essential series is a good series of components that you can offer on this range. Okay, performance. Okay, no doubt the price is a bit lower than our standard components, but we strictly, okay, the Essential series strictly comply to the standards of the quality and the performance standards. So the quality and performance will not be compromised. Now the price is a bit cheaper than our standard series. Warranty, the standard warranty for the Essential series product is 1 year. Okay. Nevertheless, if you need a project that has 25 years system warranty, you can talk to the account manager. We can offer you 25 years series, okay, 25 years system warranty on this Essential series too, also with a complete range of our products. Cost effective. This Essential series, due to the simple design, okay, so we managed to bring down the product cost, okay, and we are able to optimize the production process, and obviously with this cost saving, we would like to transfer this cost saving to our customer and our valued customer, people like you also. So you can see that the price of this Essential series is a bit lower compared to the NIKOMAX components main series. Last but not least, this is a dedicated design by our R&D teams in Taiwan and also in Moscow. So all the standards and range are compliant to our main component standards. For example, the 8.8 contacts, they are all 50 micro-inch gold plated. Okay, so we will not compromise on the quality of it. Okay, and all the material tools are high quality, non-combustible. It also complies to RoHS compliant plastic or those UTP products in this essential series. And what we use on these patch panels and jacks are solid steel and zinc aluminum alloy casting also. So first, I move on to the essential series patch cord here. So we offer 3 range of essential series patch cord, Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a, and these 3 series come with shielded and unshielded solutions. Okay, and you can see from my slide here, this Cat5e. Okay, how do you identify the patch cord belong to which category? By looking at the plug itself, you are able to tell. For example, Cat5e, you can see that the plug here is mostly clear or transparent. So by looking at this patch cord, you know that this patch cord complies to Cat5e standards. And Cat6 is blue color and Cat6a is red color. Okay. Currently, our essential patch cord series offer only low smoke, zero hydrogen jackets. Okay. And it only comes with gray color at this moment of time. So if you have other requirements on the other colors of the essential patch cord, you can consult us, and we'll try to work together with you if on the MOQ basis. Okay. So far, remember the essential series patch cord, we only offer gray color, and ranging. Our stock ranging at this current moment is 0.3 meter to 5 meter, which is in 7 range: 0.3, 0.5, 1 meter, 1.5, 2, 3, and 5 meters. Okay. Obviously, we can offer other range meter of patch cord. Okay, like for example, 10 meters. Okay, we can customize for you on this length also. So you can see that essential patch cord the boots are all molded. Okay, so it is a better performance compared to a field termination. Okay, so in field terminations, the boot itself could be able to remove, but in this essential series patch cord, you can see that the boot are molded and it is secured to the plug itself. Okay, and all the pins here, as I did mention earlier in my slide, is 50 micro-inch gold plated with spring contacts. So you can assure that the quality of this patch cord is equivalent or same as the standard patch cord that we offered. Next, we move on to the keystone jacks. The BI keystone jack. The BI keystone jack is for the punch down keystone jack. Okay, so on this range, we only offer Cat5e and Cat6 UTP solutions. Okay, so for BI is only unshielded and only applicable for Cat5e and Cat6 solutions here. Okay, and you can see that this BI keystone jack is 180 degrees. Okay, meaning that the jack itself offered a shorter overall body length. So the body length of this keystone jack is 28 mm. Okay, and with this short length, it's very easy to install at the back of the faceplate. Okay, because sometimes when you may have experienced cable entry or cable disruptions with 90 degrees keystone jack. So this 180 degrees keystone jack will offer you an alternate solutions to ease your job here. Okay, so every keystone jack here, okay, come with a cover, a dust cover here. So this dust cover is actually protect the dust from entering into the LEC contacts here. Okay, so every 8 contact here are 50 micro-inch gold plated. Okay, and available right now, the color is only in white, pure white color for these BI keystone jacks. So the other series of keystone jack is the ET keystone jack. This ET keystone jack is actually a toothless keystone jacks. Okay, So these tubeless keystone jacks will offer you a tubeless installations. Okay, and it's the same also. It also offers 180 degrees, a short body length. Okay, for you to do easy installations. And another advantage of this 180 degrees keystone jack is that when you view behind from the patch panel, especially before you when you finish your installation and before you do certifications on your install circuit, you might want to do a physical check on your connections. So by looking at the back of this patch panel, you can easily see the termination of the cables into the keystone jack, whether they are properly installed or not, by doing a visual inspections. Okay, so you can see that this tubeless keystone jack comes with a cap here also and two wings here. Okay, so once you lay the cable into the keystone jack here, okay, and cut the cable to the appropriate length and insert the cap into the jack here, and with the help of the wing, the two side wing here, by clipping on the two side wing here, it will secure, okay, the cable into the IDC contact. Okay, that's why we have this two wing here to help you to secure the cable into the IDC contact. And remember, the ET is a tubeless termination. Okay, and we offered Cat 5E, Cat 6, Cat 6A, shielded and unshielded solution for this keystone, essential keystone jack. Okay, with the essential keystone jack, we'll move on to the patch panel here. So you can see from this slide here, we offered 1U patch panel, okay, 1U loaded patch panels, okay, and 24 ports as standards here. Okay, so every patch panel will come with a real cable manager here to help you to dress the cable coming into the jacks. Okay, and this is a modular type of the loaded keystone, loaded patch panel, meaning that every 6 port you have a circuit itself. So you can see here there are 4 6 ports here, which give you a total of 24 ports. Okay. So in case that you need to remove or exchange some of supporting jack here, you just need to remove one of the module which only affects 6 jacks. And for this essential patch panel, we offer Cat 5E and Cat 6 solution on unshielded. Okay. So the body itself of this patch panel are steel. So it is very, very high quality type of the patch panels and materials. And last but not least, on the essential faceplate, we also have this essential faceplate, flat essential faceplate, offer 1 port, 2 port, and 4 port here. So we have this additional dust cover here to help you to prevent any dust from entering into the jacks when this is an unused port. Okay. So on the faceplate itself, they are labeled, okay, labeled here, okay, for you to label the circuits. And there are also marking tab here to give you the color icons. For example, you can put a red tab here to initiate that this is a telephone circuit, and a blue one to indicate that this is a data circuit. So by identifying that this is a voice or data with a color icon, you will not plug the patch cord into the wrong ports. And this faceplate material are made from high quality PC ABS. Okay, ABS is a high quality type of plastic material, and it complies to UL 94 standards. Okay, and with the above essential series, you can compromise with our second series type of cables to offer a full solution to your customers. Okay, so this essential series here is a very cost-effective cables and great performance levels that can offer to your projects at a very good quality and affordable price. Okay, and for 2 series currently we only have the Cat5e and Cat6 unshielded cable solution right now. Okay, so you can see that with the essential series here, okay, plus the second series cable, it can give you a cost saving on your projects, okay, and a greater chance of winning your projects, okay, in terms of pricing. Okay, with this, I have finished my essential series of introductions.